Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to create a Google account without your phone number. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to tap on settings. Alright, so when you tap on your settings, you scroll down until you get to accounts. Click on that. So when you click on accounts, you go down and tap on add account. Then here you're going to see a lot of accounts. Then click on Google. Right, so it will shake info. Right, so it might require for your phone password. All right, so you can add that and then tap on create account and then choose if you want to create for yourself or for your child or for your business. Okay, so right here you have to put in your name. Right here you have to put in your first name. All right, so input your first name. Then after your first name, put in your last name. So after that, you click on next. So here is you select your month, click on that month and then choose your birth month. Then input your birthday and lastly your year of birth. So after that, click on gender, choose on gender, then select your type of gender. Right, then click on next. So here it says choose your Gmail address. So you see the default. So if you don't like them, you can just go ahead and click on create your own Google address. Alright, so now you have to select your own preferred handle, your own preferred username. Alright, so you can just select or make sure you put an available username. Okay, I recommend you put something you can remember. After that, click on next. So here you have to start to input your password, and the password should not be less than 8 characters. Okay, so and it must be a strong password so that your account will be more secured. So actually blunt this area so that you won't know my password. That is why. Okay, so after that you click on next. So after you click on next, you scroll down and then you can decide to add your phone number if you wish. So to add your phone number, just tap on the yes, but here I'm gonna tap on skip because I'm actually doing this without adding a phone number. So here I will tap on next. Alright, so you have to scroll down and then tap on agree, then scroll down again and tap on agree. So guys, that is the final step, and then you're going to see that we're going to get our Google account created. And then here tap on accept. Alright, tap on accept. So here you have I have my Google account created, so I can start to update the Google account or the Gmail application from my Google Play Store, so that I will recover or so that I can be able to send inbox or email to my business companies or whatever place I want to. So guys, if this video was useful, I want you to like, share and subscribe for more important videos. So if you have any video demand, you can also drop that in the comment section. And then that is it for today. And if you want anything, like I said, don't forget subscribe, like and comment your thoughts below this video. Peace out guys.